Welcome back, John Kleis Car Audio. Today I am sat in a VW Transporter T5.1. We just had a bang tidy little Kenwood package. We've got the top of the range Kenwood DNR992 10-inch screen, humongous screen and packed full of every feature possible in this industry. This has been coupled up to the proper Kenwood HD reverse camera, which we'll go on to show you in a second. My Apple CarPlay is connected wirelessly, hence why it's just popped up on the screen with a notification. We've also got the official Kenwood dash cam up here, which is actually controlled through this screen. So we'll give you a little run through on the features we've added to this. Obviously this Kenwood screen is extremely responsive, capacitive screen, and it's got a 720p resolution. So picture quality is one of the best in the car audio industry. And it's also got a very handy rotary volume knob, which everyone loves in the industry. Rather than touch sensitive buttons, extremely easy to use. But this customer has also got his factory steering wheel controls working as well. Now, starting from the top, we'll go to the reverse camera. I'm going to put it in reverse. Reverse camera is going to automatically come up here. We've then got full HD screen of the reverse camera. Now you can literally see just how good. And as my colleague's demonstrating behind, the parking sensor overlay as well on the right picks up as well and the sensors will move from left to right depending on how close you are at each corner, which is a lovely little addition. Now the front sensors also you can see there because we're parked against the wall, hence why they're going off. Now what you can also have, you can actually view the reverse camera on the left hand side of the screen whilst the navi's on the right, which is split screen, which is nice. And you can even change to the dash cam, have a dash cam on the left as well. Now dash cam can be fully operated from the screen like so. So we've got the view at the moment, and then you can literally hit the back button here and we can actually stop recording. And we can go into the settings here and we can go to continuous recordings, manual recordings and parking recordings all on the screen. So no having to get your phone out or anything, we can just go into continuous recording, go up the timestamps, which are very simple to navigate. So we can go to like 3:48 here. It's not going to be much difference in view because the car's been in the workshop for the last couple of hours having the job done. But obviously you can see just how easy this is to navigate through the recordings. Great option if you were looking for a front camera and you've got this screen or one of the other Kenwood models. Now that's about it. This unit's got a 3-year warranty, so if you had any problems 2 years down the line, you've got peace of mind, which is a great option. Now I'm just showing you pan around the screen so you can see what it looks like from the side angles as well. Fits extremely well in this car, but obviously you can install this in many other models as well, which you can see on our YouTube channel. We've fitted these in Jeep Wranglers, Mark 5 Golfs and other cars. But anyway, I'm going to sign off there because that's about it for this unit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to Kenwood's channel as well because you'll see many more installations of these Kenwoods installed in other platforms of cars. But for now, that's John Kleis and the team signing off. See you later.